How to book hotel on Expedia. Booking a hotel on Expedia involves entering your destination, date, and a guest count as well. But before you start on, make sure that you already have an Expedia account. To begin with, open the Expedia app on your device. At the very first homepage, you will be able to see few tabs. You just want to make sure to go to the stay section and where you actually want to stay. You want to make sure to add in the location, whether it's a foreign country or in your country itself. You just want to type in that and select the date when are you staying for, and you also need to add in the amount of people that will be staying, and you could also go ahead and select search. Once I've done that, you will be able to find a list of hotels and accommodations registered with Expedia. You just want to make sure to go ahead and select one of these property that you like. And if you're sure about it, you could just go ahead and select the see all details. You could browse through it, and you could also go ahead and read all the additional information, and you could just go ahead and tap on reserve. After you've done that, there might be some sort of policies which you might want to read it before you book a hotel on Expedia as well. So with that being said, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.